Is your system execution path getting interrupted by the ws2help Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'm ready to repair your OS stability. Get the professional ws2help library fix you need by accessing the utility linked in the description. This is the ws2help library, the Windows Socket 2 Help Library, a legacy unmanaged module providing auxiliary routines for the WinSock 2 subsystem. It facilitates the orchestration of legacy network data link manifests for backward compatibility. Now that the background is clear, let's walk through the actual installation steps. Because ws2help Library DLL is a core Windows resource, we should utilize the built-in recovery tools. Run sfc/scan now from an administrator-level command prompt to scan for system-level errors and refresh your protected file library. Persistence of this error after a clean reinstall suggests that the issue may reside within the current user session's initialization. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the ws2help library file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page, or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. If you're still seeing the same problem post-restart, let's escalate our troubleshooting to the next tier. Feel free to pause the video if the next steps come at you too fast. If you're still seeing that runtime message post-restart, it's time to reinstall the shared library components. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. To ensure long-term stability, we should review the safety risks associated with unverified file sources. From a cybersecurity perspective, I must warn you never to download files like ws2help Library DLL from unofficial repositories, as these are often bundled with malware that can compromise your system's data integrity. To help keep your environment stable and prevent recurring errors, consider an automated maintenance utility for your system. To reduce uncertainty around library management, the diagnostic tool below includes informational content on synchronizing ws2help library. I'm Sophie Chen. If this guide resolved the DLL error preventing ws2help library from launching, please subscribe for more verified engineering fixes.